Yeah, here is the microscope. I installed it very amateuristic on a Chablin 70 just to show some possibility. And so here there's a 1mm collet with a 1mm drill and inserted in the headstock. This is yeah, amateuristic connected to the bed. And let's see if I can show. Yeah, so this is what you see. And then it's possible to move in this direction, of course, and in this direction. And sharper. So that's adjustable in 3 directions. And so I lost it. Yeah, there. This is a 1mm drill. Yeah, so this is just an example how you can use this microscope with the 3 axes. Thank you for watching.